Hi and welcome to Townsville Enterprises November Quarterly Economic Snapshot, where we give the state of the region, that is Townsville, North Queensland. And we're starting to see the region recover from the impacts of COVID-19. Tourism and hospitality have had a really tough year, but of course with the opening of the borders, we're starting to see some rebounds in occupancy as well, and that can only be good news for what's coming up in 2021. Of course, we've got facilities like the stadium, and events are going to play an important role in that industry's recovery. What's keeping the economy afloat in Queensland and Australia are in fact Townsville, North Queensland's strengths. In relation to mining and minerals processing, we are the hub and on the doorstep of the Northwest Minerals Province. Agriculture, defence, health and education are all this region's strengths, which really holds us in good stead for what's to come in 2021.
In its latest update, the IMF projected that GDP will decline by 4.4% globally, and that's of course a result of the pandemic. North Queensland and Townsville are obviously not immune to the economic impact of the pandemic, which is evidenced by a sharp decline in business confidence, which was even stronger than the one we noticed at the GFC. However, with the easing of restrictions, economic activity in Townsville is on the rise. We see a tightening of the labour market, and we see also a tightening of the residential housing market. In our major export markets, we noticed a steady price for sugar and a continued high price for beef, which is a result of favourable conditions in the domestic markets.
This has been a very interesting quarter in what has been an exceptional year in the economy in North Queensland. In the Townsville area, we had an increase in the number of jobs of about 1,800 jobs in the city, with another 400 jobs in and around our region, so including Ingham, Charters House and the Burdekin area, which has led to a decrease in our unemployment rate across the North Queensland region. Looking longer term, this means that our unemployment continues to trend down in North Queensland, which is great news for the region at a time when across the rest of Queensland and Australia, unemployment is going up. Another interesting point in our quarterly economic snapshot is business confidence, which no surprise took a hit earlier in the year, but has made quite a spectacular rebound. Also in property construction, more good news, there's continued growth in residential property development with the introduction of the Home Builder Grant Scheme, with a relatively minor reduction in non-residential building construction. Keep in mind, this is at a time when building construction in the rest of Queensland, particularly southeast Queensland, has really sharply reduced.
This quarter we profile MMG's project at Dugald River, where they shipped their 1 millionth tonne of zinc concentrate over the last 3 years. A truly incredible achievement, and we look forward to seeing some great numbers out of MMG. So enjoy the quarterly economic snapshot, have a great Christmas, and we look forward to what comes in 2021.